Everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can enable automatic speaker on iPhone 16 Pro Max or iOS 18.3, or you can connect the calls directly to your Bluetooth or your earbuds. So what you need to do is go to the settings here, and after going to the settings you need to go to the accessibility option here, and after going to accessibility then there is a touch option. You need to go over there. You need to scroll down, and then there's an option audio call audio routing. What you need to do is tap on it, and as you can see there are two options which are available. One is automatic, another one is Bluetooth handset, and the third one is speaker. What you can do is just select on Bluetooth handset all the calls directly, go to the Bluetooth set, and you can answer them automatically. Or if you want them to put on the loudspeaker, whatever the calls come, you can put on speaker and it will automatically go to the speaker like this. From here it will directly come out from the speaker. So that's how you can adjust or enable the automatic speaker or Bluetooth handset on your